Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am VJ and today I am going to teach you about advanced filter in MS Excel. A few commands of advanced filter will make your work extremely easy. Look here, I have some data that I have added into a table. If I just apply a filter here, what happens is that we can only see the data for one city at a time using the filter. For example, when we click here on the filter, go to the data tab and click on filter, the filter gets applied. If, for instance, I want to see Ramya Khan here, I click on RWK and the data for RWK appears for me. Then after that, I have to select here that R stands for Rawalpindi. So the cities of Rawalpindi will appear here for me. If we click on Rajkot, then it will appear here. So one by one, I have to go there and click. So I want to apply a filter in such a way that I can just give a command here and then only the cities starting with R are shown here. So for that, what we have to do is first click anywhere in this table, then go to the Data tab, and after that, click on Advanced. As soon as we click on Advanced, a small dialog box for Advanced Filter will open in front of you. If we want the result right here, we will click on Filter the list in place, and then you have to click on the up arrow here and specify the range like this. After specifying the range, we click on the down arrow here and then select the criteria here. In the criteria, see here, I have written city, and below that I have written R, which means that the cities starting with R will be filtered here. So we click here. After clicking, we need to select both of these criteria and then you will click this again, and as soon as you click OK, you will see that all the cities starting with R are now displayed here. In this way, you can very easily display all the data that starts with any particular name. If you want to remove this, then you need to go back to the data and click on clear and it will be removed. Apart from this, there is another special feature in the filter. For example, as you saw here, all the names starting with R, if we want to shift that data somewhere else from here, whether to another sheet or to a different place in this sheet, if we want to copy it or keep it separately. So for that, what we need to do is first come here again and click on Advanced. See, this command will only be enabled when you click inside the table. You need to click here. After clicking, you need to select Copy to another location. Now after that, what you need to do is specify the range here. See, we will click here. After clicking, you need to specify the range here. And after giving the range, we click here again. And then what you need to do is select this criteria. Then after that, you need to choose where you want to copy to. We want all the data for the cities that start with R to appear here in this place. So you should click here. Click on this place. And when you click OK, you will see that all the data has been filtered and is now displayed separately here. So in this way, you can easily filter and display data separately from a very large database. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how to use the advanced filter in MS Excel. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.